Hi students, welcome to online class. In this video, we are going to discuss about chapter 18 Tamil computing. Now we are going to discuss about Tamil information interchange coding systems. There are three different Tamil information interchange coding systems are there. What are they? Now in this book we are going to discuss about those three. TSC-II and then ISC-II and then Unicode. So in the chapter 2 itself we have discussed about this Unicode and then ISC-II. Right? Do you remember, students? So these are the Tamil information interchange coding systems. In the second chapter itself we discussed about several coding systems such as BCD and then ASCII, that is ASCII. Is it right or not, students? Right. Now we are going to see in this video about these three Tamil information interchange coding systems. First of all, let us start with TSC-II. What is mean by TSC-II? That is Tamil script code for information interchange. Tamil script code for information interchange. See students, we know very well that computers are able to handle the data and information as binary system. So we know very well that computers works only with binary numbers, that is zeros and ones. So whenever we give the data, every data is converted into binary when it is fed into a computer system. But we don't used to give zeros and ones. We used to give only characters. We used to give alphabets, numbers and special characters. But all these numbers, alphabets and special characters are converted into zeros and ones. I think in the second chapter we discussed how these numbers are converted and then how these characters are converted into zeros and ones. So using the ASCII, is it right or not? Yes, I think you remember those things. Computers use ASCII encoding system to handle the data and information. So I can recall you about ASCII. ASCII means American Standard Code for Information Interchange. American Standard Code for Information and Interchange. So each and every character, that is each and every alphabet in English language has an ASCII value. Like that for numbers also. So each and every number, each and every special character has an ASCII value. But the ASCII coding system is applicable only to handle the English language. The ASCII encoding system is applicable only for handling the English language. Then what about Tamil? So for Tamil language we need a separate standard. So therefore we developed the TSC-II. That means Tamil script code for information interchange. So this is the first coding system. This is the first coding system which is able to handle our Tamil language. And then in one particular analysis we find out that it is very easy to handle the electronic devices including the non-English computers. So from the analysis they find out that this encoding scheme, that is Tamil script code for information interchange, is very easy to handle the electronic devices. Can you understand, students? So this particular coding scheme was registered in IANA. This encoding scheme is registered in IANA, that is Internet Assigned Numbers Authority. Internet Assigned Numbers Authority, which is a unit of ICANN. Can you understand, students? Internet Assigned Numbers and Authority, which is a unit of ICANN, who is governing the internet. Right? Now we can discuss about Indian Script Code for Information Interchange, that is second standard, that is ISCII. Indian Script Code for Information Interchange. So this is also one of the encoding schemes especially designed for Indian languages including Tamil. So Indian languages you know very well, Tamil, Hindi, Urdu, so Kannada, Malayalam. So there are several languages are there. So this particular encoding scheme which is developed especially only for the Indian languages. So it was unified with Unicode. So the Unicode, you know, it is also one of the encoding scheme, right? Now we are going to see about the third scheme, that is third encoding scheme, so which is Unicode. So this Unicode we have studied in the second chapter itself. So Unicode is an encoding scheme, that is encoding system, which is designed to handle various world level languages including the Tamil. So Unicode was developed for the all over the world, so all the languages are able to use that encoding scheme. So its first version was 1.0.0, right? 1.0.0. So it was the first version. It was introduced in the October 1991. So this encoding was introduced to handle nearly 23 languages including the Tamil. When Unicode was introduced at the time of 1991, it is able to handle nearly 23 languages including the Tamil language. And then very important thing is, among the various encoding scheme, which is the best suited for Tamil language is Unicode. So that's why now we are able to use this particular encoding scheme. So whenever you see the Tamil typewriting interface, whenever the people those who are using that Tamil typing, they used to type with Unicode, because this is the best encoding scheme or encoding system which is suitable for the Tamil language. Can you understand, students? So I hope you might have understood this video. So let's end the class. So thank you, students.